Crunchified clean friends. Oh my God, look at this. Let's talk refrigerator cleaning. First off, I have to say I absolutely love refrigerator cleaning because I think it's one of the best, most satisfactory before and afters you could see. I just love it. I mean, first off, ew, I don't know what happened. Something exploded in this refrigerator and it was like a soda volcano went off. So when you're going to clean a refrigerator, first off, remove everything. Get all the food, get everything out. Remove any debris. In this case, the door hits the wall, so I can't remove the shelves. So I had to, not the shelves, the grates, those things. So I had to clean those manually. But here's what I do. I spray my thieves cleaner and it automatically just started like eating away at the gunk and it was dripping already. What I do first is I grab a towel and I just go around and I soak up and I clean off and I get as much gunk as I can. I get all of that liquid off. And then I'll spray again and then clean it again. And then I spray again and I disinfect it. And wait till you see the end of this video and see how amazing and crunchified clean it is. And you also need to get that collapsible bucket because then I could just fold it back down and stick it in like a closet and there's no big lunky bucket. And the reason why I use this method for this refrigerator is because, again, I wanted to just soak up as much liquid as I can. So I used hot soapy water. And even though I was dumping my cloth into it and wringing it out, I was just soaking up as much as I could. After I soaked everything up, then I went and resprayed and cleaned. So I'm going to stop talking so you can enjoy this amazing video. Wait till the end. Trust me, you're going to love to see these before and after pictures. Stay crunchified clean. And by the way, links down below in my video and in my comments for my favorite cleaner and that collapsible bucket. And anything else I love to share.